Today, I'll show you how to add the love eyes effect in CapCut PC to make your videos more fun and expressive. Let's get started. First, import your video into the timeline. Now, go to the effects panel and navigate to the body effects section. In the search bar, type love eyes and you'll see the effect appear. Simply drag and drop it onto your clip and instantly your subject will have glowing heart-shaped eyes. To customize it, head over to the right side editing panel where you'll find several sliders: color, change the hue of the heart eyes, filter, adjust the intensity of the filter range, control how much of the face is affected, size, increase or decrease the size of the heart eyes, speed, adjust the animation speed for a more dynamic effect. Play around with these settings until you get the perfect style. And that's it. You've successfully added the love eyes effect in CapCut PC. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut editing tricks.